Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious shawarma that you're seeing right here. So first of all, I fried my chicken. I'll be posting a full detailed video of how to marinate your chicken before making your shawarma. If it's something you want to see, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. So right here I added my mayonnaise and ketchup to the bowl. Here I am adding my yaji. Some of you know it as suya spices. Then I added milk. Next is lemon juice. So this is lemon juice to add a little tanginess. Here I'm just mixing it up. Just make sure you don't leave lump in it. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. In an empty bowl, I poured in the cabbage, carrot, and green bell pepper. I like the taste of green bell pepper in my shawarma. Then I added the chicken and also the mixture to the bowl. Then I mixed it up. I made sure everything incorporated properly. I have a full video of how I made this flatbread, this shawarma bread. If you want to see it, I'll be posting it here on my channel. So please do well to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting a lot of recipes to try at home. Wrapping up your shawarma is very easy. All you have to do is just follow the same steps that I took. As you can see, I'm applying the remaining cream mixture all over your flatbread. Add the desired amount of filling that you want on the flatbread, then you wrap it up. When you're done wrapping it up, you fold in the two ends. Okay, you fold it in so that it doesn't spill when you're trying to heat it up. There's another way you can wrap this up. Okay, the other method is after wrapping it completely, you use a parchment paper or foil to wrap it up before heating it on your stove. Set your stove to the low heat. What you need is a low heat. You want it to steam to heat it up and not burn it for you. Let it heat up for some minutes before turning it over to the other side and also allow it to heat. As you can see right here, I'm using 2 frying pans to do this. You can use any frying pan of your choice to do this method. I'm using a non-stick frying pan and a granite frying pan to do this since I don't have grilling frying pan, so I'm making do with what I have. That grilling frying pan is very much popular. That's the one people normally use to heat up their shawarma. So right here my shawarma is ready to be devoured by my kids and I. So guys, this is it. It was so enjoyable. This flatbread that I made myself has this extra taste that it gave to this shawarma because there is a secret ingredient I added to it that made it taste so good. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.